Hi guys, it's
Rena and
Bonnie here. Today we will be making the video of the Christmas countdown day 4. We will be making
reindeer food.
We hope you will like the video. We have a guest with us here. It's Santa. Hi guys, I hope you've been good.
Oh, we also got new mascots again.
Yeah, sorry for these summer changes. The birds were just
Drying up
in a weird way, so we decided frogs would be better. We hope you like our new mascot.
Also, some information about the giveaway. On Christmas, 11:59 p.m. It's like that's when it's due to enter.
It's when the giveaway closes.
Oh yeah, I mean, sorry for that.
Yeah.
So let's get started, I guess.
Yay!
Reindeer food is for the reindeers because they do need some food for the long flight. You put some in a cup near the cookies or and the milk, and you also sprinkle some outside in front of your house.
Yeah.
So what you will need is a bowl, optional a mixing utensil.
We're using a pencil.
Yeah.
Grass. Make sure it's fresh.
Or oatmeal.
Yeah, oatmeal can do. Oatmeal.
Confetti.
Or oatmeal.
Nice. Or any candies, small hot candies. You would have it
like Skittles.
No M&Ms. Glitter, sprinkles of edible glitter. Or fake glitter if you have any, but we didn't have.
And yeah, those are what rainbow magical reindeers like. So let's get started.
Oh, and also maybe some berries.
Yeah, if you have any. So the first step is to take your grass and put it in the bowl. Make sure you have fresh grass.
And the fresh grass, you can clean it
with some water.
Yeah. Well, make sure it's clean. Sorry. Okay. Next, put in the confetti.
Or oatmeal.
You can use oatmeal as the base if you don't want.
Yeah, because
or all the grass is dead. There you are. Is next or any other candies.
Next is Skittles.
And then lastly is the glitter.
Which color
should we use?
Yeah, which color should we use? We'll use yellow. Because that's close to brown, because reindeers are brown.
Sorry for the background noise. Wait, is it going in?
Yeah. You can add how much of those you want. Should look kind of like this. Optional step, time to mix all your things.
Or you could shake it up. Or slowly shaking it up.
Make sure you put the cap on tightly.
If you're going to shake it up. We'll also use a mixing utensil to get it truly mixed. So there's like different flavors, kind of.
And it should look something like this.
So yeah,
that's your reindeer food. Then you can put it by your fireplace and hope the reindeers will like it.
The Santa's cookies. Or on your yard.
Yeah, so we hope you like this video. We hope you like this video.
Give a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't.
Comment down below video ideas.
No hate or swearing in the comments down below.
Also turn on your notification bell.
Yeah. The other videos in our Christmas countdown will be in the eye up there. You can check it out.
And make sure to enter the giveaway.
Yeah. If you enter the giveaway, you get a higher chance of winning.
Also tomorrow, it's probably a high chance that video will be a music video.
Yep, but it might be another DIY skit or idea video. 2 more days to Christmas. Yay.
See ya tomorrow.
Wait, if you're confused,
I'm Rena.
And I'm Ronnie. I have a cloud on my back.
I'm small and I have really dark eyes. They're black.
Yeah, but anyways.
See you in the next video. Bye.